Nalitum media klembangku atum phan nilitum kar Victoria song hin pen na cho phateng pen nalitum wang thepok nalitum phan kurwang thu kachro nangpajiri lo labangso press statement puthak pachin ye aprang pini nilitum lada press meet KSA Central Committee lapen District Committee Deputy District Committee lapen Bukajan District Committee penang chitong do lasi pachini gatpo Nilimen Ramsing Tokbi nili KSA Central Committee General Secretary lapen ako lapu alangli Mondolengi KSA Central Committee Vice President lapen pu Muniram Teron Vice President KSA Central Committee lapen Kanti Wingti Policy Secretary Central Committee lapen pu Longbir Singh Kisho alangi lage Bukajan District Committee President lo lapen ako nilifi Muniram Phangcho Deputy District Committee President Office Nuram Phangcho lalo lasi non labangso press statement abang te nili methang si pohidat po press statement date dipu 13 December 2023 the Karbi Students Association is deeply disturbed by the mindless misappropriation of government fund in the name of renovation work at Difu Government College. There is a unfruitful expenditure against the sanctioned amount of 1,81,67,857 rupees, bearing section release order number KAAC Education Department H/ANFS/2025 2016 2015-2016 /6/2614 dated 18/05/2023 against the renovation works. The works are: number 1, repairing / renovation of Difu Government College building extension block for an amount of rupees 17,12,385 rupees. Number 2, repairing renovation of college building of Difu Government College for an amount of rupees 48,59,526 rupees. Number 3, repairing / renovation of auditorium hall of Difu Government College Difu for an amount of rupees 71,49,873 rupees. Number 4 ase repairing / of science block of Difu Government College Difu for an amount of rupees 44,46,073 rupees. The KSA carried out a survey on the works and found that the above mentioned works in education were highly substandard in nature. The amount of money sanctioned against the said works does not corroborate and reconcile. Money sanctioned against the highly substandard works is excessively exorbitant. It is a clear case of misappropriation of government fund. The KSA submitted a representation before the Principal Secretary KAAC against the mainless corruption on the 20 November 2023. But hitherto, there is no response from the KAAC authority to our representation. The KAAC, under the leadership of CEM Sri Tuliram Ronghang, has little importance for the education uplift. Several schools teachers are yet given their salary for the past several months, but the KAAC in power has the shameless audacity to deeply, selfishly involved in misappropriation of government for their proposal offers. The KSA will not be silent on matters which are against the students' community. We shall dig the ground to the bones and move the prosecuting authorities against the corruption secretary in charge Department of Higher Education. Stress Nirola Phangchupi, official of the Education Department, and the PWD Karbi Anglong District Territorial Building Division, and the contractor Sri Bhumen Teron, son of Anchan Teron. Determinedly, we signed this press statement on behalf of the KSA. Lancholo, lasi Arlengalam pen lasobuthat, nang paciri thui bola bangal tum hanam kipomo. Amen, abangke Bhumen Teron, asal Roman ke Anchan Teron. Lasi lahenlo alang lila Difu Government College labangso akam kapakem to evansi alang lifansi name of contractor Bhumen Teron lasona taksi mo angton la details ng pipo lasi nilitum laso puthat pipo dunji bangalalo principal secretary phaname laso puthat pe inquiry phan nilitum hin pen lo pilo anke lapentu Department of Higher Education Nirola Phangchupi Phasame Lasobuthat Langchari Nengi Pusipilo Same Pini Arnianta Lasobuthat Thangda Action Can Bond Heklong Diablo Lasinilitum Karbilo Choli Asong Pen Kipukantunga Lalo Non Banke Quality Education Pusipubom Mission 2025 Lasobuthat Misenlo Karbilo Autonomous Council Ake hai sir Richard Togbi education EM lo lasi laso puthak non isi abangi pudamji bangalalo BJP a government to mangi pilo zero tolerance amate huino hokon hilota mane corruption free besi pulo mane na khaunga nahi khani dunga laso si pulo mati samai labangso Difu Government College Hello ilutum entire Karbi Anglong ari soe jangatum tak Difu Government College nalu kachiki from sami Ladakh piniar ni bangalabang so renovation amen pensi Ladakh bangke kichuko panglim labangke ilutum Karbi chori asom pana bangke pin rem lo ilutum bangke condemn lo sub thake ka condemn nang ko athi bangke lalo non daladak aningkan bang gustame Ladakh pilo higher secondary level matric pass diat pen Ladakh first year second year lapen degree kacharli Ladakh kupima pui asit mate anghoy labangso ke dorde laso se anikan wang janang che thaklong lo lapen student astum dhorna dunang set ke therapy mi alamat loke emethanga alongri emethanga adimlong masi te langdam sina non ke Karbi Anglong langdam lote Difu long hello Difu Government College hello kita muncul. Lapen West na tulang dano pulo te pulo, hada ke government college ki pulo, Rangsina college an cholo. Lasila dak bangke renovation along labangso ladak kapaklar labangso kikim kapangjang kahino lahai repairing mati labangso renovation along ada kicho kapanglim lang pulo te je education department ke kosonsi education sector ke kosonsi kicing turun lang. Lalu lasi non lada bang ke difu government college long ke renovation mate labang so repairing akam chot kalisi lada ke infrastructure development akam si nang claim nang po new building aso construction nang po nang kim nang po pini lason thek long le lasi lada bang ke labang so renovation mate repairing labang so lada dolo angton details monang le tum long po labang so long onda dak nilitum la palang namlo non la bangso difu government college long la auditorium hall pen ke chenglok la pen science block pen ke chenglok mane ko la bangso atangka la dak tutel atangka nang le bang pilo 1 crore 81 lakh 67,857 tangke la so tangka ateng pen la dak kam claim ke dia joini si pini nil tum karbilo chalia song pen bang ke la bangso puthak Karpilong Autonomous Council non education em Richard Tok biake hai phan lapen CM tuliram lo ha khai basame labang so puthak bang ke langchari pamikan ji lapen labang so akam je claim pamikan ji non ke thekdam long bang ke laso akam bang ke claim pamikya ke rason si theklong lo lasi jongsi nil tum karbilo chali asong ban ki pui bang la lo non labang so quality education labang so along langdam lu pelutang te irtum Karbi Anglong West Karbi Anglong lapen Karbi Anglong atok no le langdam same non infrastructure kemi me det ajoini si pinier ni education awarman what education environment bang ke mimi det lo la kacharli ahem kikim pameka ke kiklem sai oi ajoini si irtum Karbi Anglong West Karbi Anglong entire Karbi Anglong educational environment what irtum hikha awarman bang ke irtum mimi det responsi nang theklong lo lasi je lajong si infrastructure lo si mesen lo te ile tum o somar tum non lower primary upper primary lapen up to higher education an de higher secondary degree college an usame kipuram je bangala lo je infrastructure lo si mesen lo te apia bodum ke school toidun wek ko lapen apia bodum school ke toidun wek ko non ke non apia po atum school ka toidun ji ba college ka toidun ji apananta je education sector along lason mane kichu ka panglim lason mane misappropriation lason ke claim bang ke nitu mangke condemn lo kar Bengal Autonomous Council of Han lasi lalo lasi ke bang jilang ni bang ke jongsi laso puthak jongsi inquiry pon pamika ke lapena ko silam pon pamika ke pulote nitu kar bilo chali asong pon bang ke lapena kaprek pini bangke nalutum media banang pacini tu lo lapen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council banang pacini lo lapen Karbi Anglong arat phang seme labang so lamang pacini nang kokji lake education along alam duko alam pena nasi idian ta pithek the pulote labang so ilutum council alam tum kachari ke kupisi kidolan di lasi labang so puthak lamang ke nilitum ka chuneri kang tu mangke alam tum baino mangke acik lo yon bang kapa piye phana bang si nilitum bangke chuning ripo lapen nilitum memorandum tame pidam po lasi labang so aputha bangke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council do bang pangwe krang chokchi lalo mune pini deglam
Sakya isilam na non kita belum sepi masih ini itu bangnya itu banglo mati ya sampai sih laku soal tentang si Karbi Anglong kan film sebi school go bilo terus hal hal tentang itu talim saya dek berubah
nilitum ke Karbi lo chali asong Karbi Anglong West Karbi Anglong lapen Karbi Anglong atokano mane education for all polam to hikha labangso kapaching thurji ilitum kheita toklang akrona tu mane kapa phangun thekji labangso long jongsi ke claim labangso mopen sonsi lason ke chopanglim mate corruption akam ke claim jongsi nilitum ke theklong lo pute lage nilitum abang putin engineer pen chenglok lapen department along ko an ma ke thege ting tum so ke jong si hala bang so long ke involved no ko ko te la bang ke nilum kar bilo chali asong ko bang ke nilum action and pulo ke lage must be action and pulo ke nilum bang ke athima education lo bang ke lada bang ke chilem le dasing me nilum bang ke condemn lo kar bang lo autonomous council of han lasi lalo lasi ke bang jilang ni bang ke jong si laso puthak jong si inquiry pon pamika ke lapena ko silam pon pamika ki pulote niltum kar bilo chali asong pena bangke la pena kaprek pini bangke nalutum media banang pachini dolo lapen karbiang long autonomous council banang pachini lo lapen karbiang long arat pham semela bang so lama pachini nang kokji lake education long alam duko alam pena nasi education long bangke dak education iem penceng lok karbiang long autonomous council cm dr tuliram lohang pa bangjok pustami ladak education long bangke chilem le dia tangji mate lason sai klam kam sai oi kam ke claim ke dia dangji lapen kichu ko pangli ma kam claim ke dia dangji lalu lasi labang so puthala ke inquiry pon pamika nangji jongsi inquiry pon pamika ki pen pamika ki bal jongsi labang so puthai ngol silam pon pamika ki pulote ke bang jilani bangke nildum la pena ka prek dimur critically nildum bangke labang so puthake chesong nangkok